In this video, I will show you how to use Visily Beginner's Tutorial. Visily's biggest strength lies in its AI-powered shortcuts, from imagination to interface design. You can upload a screenshot, sketch, or even type in a simple prompt within a few seconds. Visily delivers editable and highly wireframe prototypes. This ability to turn rough ideas into polished visuals is especially appreciated by many different designers. Directors of products or startup founders frequently note that the tasks only took one day and are completed in a couple of minutes with this AI tool. With over 1,500 templates and a smart UI component, paired with features such as real-time collaboration, universal browser access, Visily democratizes design by removing technical barriers or expertise. Users report that an entire team can brainstorm and iterate on UI without having to rely on specialized design. Training, making it a go-to choice for product creation, cross-functional alignment as well. Despite its strengths, Visily is not designed for deep customization or professional-grade workflows. Several users highlight, while its smart components and templates look very polished, they can feel very repetitive, and over time, our advanced designers may feel the customizations are limited compared to other tools such as Figma. Workflow complexity increases with the multi-page projects, rendering can be slow, and dragging elements across large canvases sometimes introduce lag. Visily also does not support advanced prototyping features, such as conditional, integration or iteration, auto layout systems and full code exports beyond the basic CSS visualization. Some updates have introduced minor bugs, and there have been occasional reports of performance hiccups when working offline or under a heavy load. The focus on ease of use occasionally comes out as a cost of creative flexibility. Visily offers a generously free starter tier that includes one editable project, multiple different boards, foundational templates, and limited AI credits and screen exports. The free plan is sufficient, and occasional users, early prototypes, and anybody exploring design. Paid tiers begin at around $14 per editor per month when billed annually, unlocking significantly more design credits, priority support, team collaboration tools, and version history to export to Figma. For larger teams or enterprise customers, custom plans add features such as singular sign-ons, dedicated account management, unlimited credits, and more. While the price is very competitive in the market and reasonable for teams seeking AI-driven design workflows, some small businesses report that it is too costly and may be limited as the usage scales. Visily ease of use. Visily integrates and is purposely built for access, offering a smooth learning curve for both experienced designers or total beginners. From the first interaction, users are guided by a clean, uncluttered layout with logical tool placement, intuitive drag-and-drop elements, and more. AI features such as text to UI, screenshot to wireframe significantly reduce the friction of you getting started, allowing users to skip the blank canvas phase and jump straight into editing with real components in a real short time. New users often find that they can build multi-screen mockups without watching a single tutorial, thanks to its straightforward UI, responsive feedback system, and features. Features such as style auto-suggestions, instant grouping, auto-alignment all provide helpful assistance in the layout design without overwhelming many of their users. Beyond the design itself, Visily also excels at team collaboration and communication. It supports real-time co-editing, threading comments, version tracking, and team-based permissions, which makes it suitable for production teams, startups or co-founders, even cross-functional departments trying to visually plan workflows together. However, as projects grow in complexity, some aspects such as performance, especially on lower powered devices, can become very laggy. Offline functionality is still very limited, and mobile browser use is serviceable but far less responsive compared to the desktop environment. While onboarding is so smooth, there is room for improvement in terms of helping their user understand how credit usage works, its AI limits, and especially for those on the free tier. Even so, the general user experience is very modern, inclusive, and refreshingly low barrier for many different users or businesses. Competitors. Visily competes in a growing market or category of AI-powered UI tools. It positions in quite a distinct way. While traditional design platforms like Figma, Adobe XD or Sketch offer advanced vector editing, component libraries, team design systems, they all often come with a steep learning curve and require design literacy. However, Visily, by contrast, targets users who need to move fast. Founders, validating or features ideas, marketing design landing pages, or with minimal design background. It brings the power of wireframe and basic prototyping into an approachable package by bypassing the complexity of traditional design software. While it does not offer full developer hands-off or even granular control or component behavior, it does bridge the gap between brainstorming and sharing visual products. Against the newer AI-centric competitors such as Galileo AI, Uzard or Whimsical, Visily holds on its own by offering a blend of accessibility, structure and a breadth of fresh air. Uzard focuses more on natural language and sketch-based UI generation. It is similar, but Visily ends up providing more robust structure and greater emphasis on collaboration and workflows. Galileo AI excels in Figma integration, realistic UI generation from prompts but may require downstream editing from Figma in redefinement. Visily balances creative freedom, structural guidance, all with automation to save you time and money, but enough stability to maintain coherent across different screens. From teams working in sprints, fast ideation loops, it becomes a strong contender for a go-to design collaboration tool without overhead of full-stack design platforms. Overall, Visily shines an intelligent, user-friendly design platform that caters to those who need a visual clarity and fast turnaround with deep in design theory or tooling complexity. It combines the magic of AI generation layout with intuitive editing and structural templates, making it ideal for early stage integration, stakeholder presentation or rapidly prototyping. Unlike some tools that focus heavily on developer hands-off or pixel-perfect control, Visily emphasizes inclusivity, speed and cross-functional teamwork. It gives non-designers the power to contribute meaningfully to the product curation process, turning screenshots into wireframe, ideas into interfaces, and conversions into prototypes. That said, its power of early or mid-stage workflows, not deep design system development. Users looking for detailed prototyping, responsive breakout, or front-end exports may still require tools like Figma or Webflow later in the process. But as a brainstorming or planning comparison, Visily fills an essential role, making the UI exploration more visual, collaborative and efficient. It democratizes thinking effectively by removing the friction between creation and concept, offering teams a shared space where ideas can come to life. From startup, product teams or fast-moving organizations, Visily is more than just a wireframing tool. It's a catalyst for faster and smarter design decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.